Crown Queens, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a simple natural hairstyle on a 4C hair.
I used to look in the mirror and doubt what I see, trying to fit into a world that wasn't made for me. But the more I learn, the more I understand. My beauty was written in my own hand. No need to change what's already divine. Every coil, every curl is a part of my design. I'm rooted in me, I'm free, I'm real. This is the beauty I finally feel. From my roots to the sky, I rise and I shine, natural and proud. This crown is mine. I'm rooted in me, I'm enough as I am. An African queen, I take my stand. Afro flowing like a story untold. Every strand of my hair is pure gold. No straight lines needed to define my grace. My heritage lives on in my face. Let the world see what I've always known. Beauty grows deeper when it's left alone. I'm rooted in me, I'm free, I'm real. This is the beauty I finally feel. No fear, no shame. I rise, I light, natural and proud. This crown is mine. I'm rooted in me, I'm enough as I am. An African queen, I take my stand. I'm rooted in me, I'm free, I'm real. This is the beauty